Is your PS5 feeling slow? Laggy menus, delayed responses, or sluggish performance? Don't worry, you can speed it up right now with a few simple tweaks. Here is how to fix PS5 lag and boost performance instantly. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we will show you how to speed up your PS5 by fixing slow menus, reducing lag, and optimizing overall experience. Let's get started. Method 1. Change the video transfer rate. When PS5 is running slow and feels laggy, change the video transfer rate. To do that, open PS5 settings, select screen and video output. Then select video output. Try selecting a lower video transfer rate if available. Method 2. Tweak settings. The next thing you can do is tweak few system settings. Navigate to PS5 settings, go to screen and video, select video output. Select resolution and try out a lower resolution. Next, you can turn off the variable refresh rate or VRR. Next, enable the 120Hz video output for games that support 120Hz frame rate. If that does not work for you, you can turn it off. Scroll down and next turn off the HDR. Turning off HDR during games on your PS5 can sometimes improve your gaming experience. HDR can add a small amount of input delay, which might affect fast-paced competitive games. Turning off HDR can help reduce stuttering and improve responsiveness. Method 3. Check your internet connection. If your PS5 still feels laggy, ensure your internet connection is stable with sufficient bandwidth. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can contact your local service provider for help. For a more stable connection, try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if needed. Method 4. Update firmware. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 5. Update the game. If you are experiencing lag on a specific game, then check for the game updates. Highlight the game from the home screen of the PS5 console. Press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Method 6. Manage storage space. While PS5 is lagging on your device, you can delete unnecessary games or apps in the storage. To do that, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the unnecessary games and apps. Then select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or an app. Method 7. Use a VPN. The next thing you can do is use a VPN service while playing games. VPNs can provide a more direct route to the game server, especially if the server is far away. By connecting to a server that is geographically closer to the game server, you might experience lower ping and latency, leading to smoother gameplay. Method 8. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in the rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 9. Reset the PS5 console. If the method shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as a new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings, then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset Your Console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. If this could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation support for further assistance. State your problem and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. Those are the best ways to speed up your PS5 and eliminate laggy menus and slowdowns. If this helped boost your console's performance, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tech fixes and gaming tips from Silicophilic. Let us know in the comments which tip made the biggest difference for you, and drop any extra tricks you have found too. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.